We're giving away umbrellas here. It's a marketing opportunity to express the brand, in the right way. I think what's interesting is what the digital product passports will look like. So there's a view that it needs to be very rudimentary and just follow the law and have specific information like raw materials, CO2 emissions, transport, supply chain information, care and repair information. But if you do something, if you're clever enough with this, you can start showing, like here's an example from a furniture manufacturer. You can use a little video on the front page. You can have the care guide here that feels sort of appealing, something that you'll want to click on. And even you can click on accessories and see, okay, what other products are similar to the one that I've bought, so you can get a bit of an idea about the brand and more. So you can follow the law, and you have to, but you can do a lot more. So before any purchase is made, a consumer is likely to want to scan a product just to check what the sustainability information is on that. It's like comparing two jackets and you like both of them, but you're wondering which one am I going to get? And well, there's one that has lower CO2 emissions than another. So you're probably going to want to choose the lower one. And particularly the younger generation today is much more interested in this sustainability criteria. They're going to want to know other information like where has it actually been made, the raw materials, what's been used, is it really environmentally friendly or is it greenwashing? You're going to be able to see this. You're going to get authentic information. And I think for some people, it'll be enough just to know that there are certificates and there's an ISO standard that's been followed without them going down the rabbit hole of getting into all those details. They just want to know that this company has done the right thing. So that'll all happen in advance of a purchase. So this is really enriching data for a consumer. They're going to find out a lot more about the product and they're going to find sort of real authentic information. And I think this kind of need for trust and need for authenticity is more important than ever. So with the digital product passport, they're going to know for sure what are the CO2 emissions and how much water was used potentially in the making of this t-shirt or whatever it might be. And I think when you know that information and you know that the company is actually supplying you with that information, then you feel a little bit more comfortable about it because it sort of avoids greenwashing. Some people say they're very sustainable, but they don't really tell you why. And now you're going to have the data to prove it.